This explains the process of correction in company data in any TDS return filed earlier. This is part of the preparing the correction return. It is presumed that data from the latest console file has been imported for making corrections. Click on Correction Return. Click on Make Corrections. The interface shows list of all imports from the console file. Select the one that needs to be corrected. This is the dashboard for preparing correction returns. It contains the summary of the selected console file and corrections already made on it. Click on Proceed to Corrections. The first screen in the Correction Return module is for making corrections in the company details. Go ahead with the corrections, if any. Click on Save. Click on Yes. The company details will get updated. Click on OK. Click on Go back to basic screen. Click on Generate Return. The return will get generated with all the corrections, including the company details, if modified. This FVU file needs to be submitted to the department. Click on Exit. Thanks for your time. Hope you found it useful.